Hey yo, we're out here. Tomorrow we go snowboarding. But tonight, you gotta get your body right. We're breaking the ice, baby. You gotta break this shit. Oh my fuck. Look how actually cool that looks on inside. Alright, I think it's ready.
I think we're good.
Yeah, alright. Let's quick reboot, pause for a minute. Alright, Blake's the first one to get in. He's in that shit. How's it feel? Get your arms under. Get your arms under. There you go. Woo. Hell yeah. Good shit. Well done, man.
Let's go. You're next.
All right, baby. This is what it would feel like to fall into an ice lake in Alaska. Good shit. That's good for you, buddy.
All right. We're gonna hot tub time.
Woo!
Go to the slopes. Brother just woke up. About to get this shit. Shred this mountain.
Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Solid pal, buddy. Solid pal.
It's a nice day.
It is.
Very nice day. It's not too cold either. It's about 40 degrees.
I'm gonna spit on this guy.
Skiers, dude. Look at this guy. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Fuck yeah. We got the boards. You already know, bro. We shred. We're gonna hit some crazy shit for you guys.
Yeah, stay tuned, because this is my first time being out in like a year, and we're about to try to send some big jumps for you.
We're gonna send some shit, most definitely for you guys. Risk our bodies.
A few minutes later.
All right, let's run it, gentlemen.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Oh. Shit. You all right? I may have gotten that, bro. Yo, you good? Yeah. You all right, for real?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Close. Good, I know, right? That's all that matters. Hey, there we go, baby. Let's run it.
Oh yeah. I will be better this time.
We're at hell yeah, baby! Woo! Woo! I got air on that fucker.
Oh, fuck.
That was clean.
shit. He did a flip. Like bad.
Bad? Fuck, is he alright? Did he catch a toe edge?
Yeah, bad.
Where we going?
Huh?
Where we going?
I'm not sure.
Send this shit, boy.
You're in point.
Ready for the toe edge. Alright, gentlemen. Are you guys ready to shred? Oh, yeah. I'm recording you guys. So. Shredding, baby. Hell yes. Yo, we're at the terrain park right now. Shredding as always.
Got a few runs in, getting comfortable. We're about to get a clean run in here too.
Yep, clean run, maybe do an extra run, and then we're gonna probably head out of here. It's probably like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I don't know what time it is, but
Yeah, we've been shredding all day, so
yep, all day on the mountain.
time to go home, watch the UFC fights, enjoy
Yep.
the night.
Sorry. Alright, we're done. Got done shredding.
We're going back. Our buddy Mason's fucked his shoulder up pretty damn bad, so we're about to give him some medicine.
We're gonna give him some enhancements to get him right.
Naturally grown herbs out of their
Today's Sunday. Yesterday we were at the mountain all day. We're in the gym, putting in that sweat equity. Health is #1 priority. We're about to hit some dips right now, 50 pounds. Let's get it. Been in the sauna now for about 4 minutes. Probably staying here for about 10 minutes. Just got done with the pump. The sauna is so healthy for you to get in for at least 10 minutes. It reduces your chances of cardiovascular disease. It lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure.
increases circulation, increases cardiac output, so many benefits, just like the ice bath. So we're probably staying here for about 10 minutes and then head out. So peace out.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger or leaves you crippled.
That's right. Been in here for about 7 minutes now. This guy needs to get a car wash. This car is literally a shit box.
Yeah,
buddy, it's shit. It's fucking shit.
Bro, what the fuck would a shit like that?
Birds, bro. It's shit.
That's fucking foul, bro. That's like actually disgusting.
Shit everywhere on this dude's fucking whip. Like, bruh.
I was under the trees.
The fuck? You were under the trees where all the birds hang out. They shit everywhere.
I mean, it looks like they specifically shit on my car.
Dude, they were like, fuck this dude. I'm shitting all over this guy's whip.
It's all right. Little do they know I got a Froggy's free coupon wash.
Yeah, so we got to go get this clean because this is outrageous. I mean, dude, this is fucking disgusting. That is disgusting.
Is foul. Like,
I can't even.
I'm actually disgusting.
I don't even want to fucking touch anything, dude.
Oh, that's all right. Just get in.
Look at this, man. There's shit everywhere.
A little poopies is good. You want me to say something again or what? What's up, man? I just got one of these free basic car wash.
Yo, did it look like a bird shit all over his car?
Yeah.
Doesn't it? I mean,
Dude,
like, so bad.
Shit's white, I thought, man. I don't know. It's like brown shit everywhere. Yeah, I know it's bad.
Oh shit. I could send y'all through with an ultimate, the basic one, and get all of that off.
Oh, alright, cool.
Yeah, y'all good to go.
Thanks,
Thank
man.
you,
I
man.
appreciate that.
Y'all have a good one.
Yeah,
You as
you
well.
too, man. Fuck yeah, what a stud.
Hell yeah, man. Even he thought it was shit and puke,
Yeah,
bro.
God,
Come on,
That
man.
was hilarious. He goes, yeah, man, look like puke and shit. Oh,
Here we go. Froggies,
hooked us
bro.
up with an ultimate
Yeah,
wash.
hit up Froggies, man. They hooked us up.
Yeah,
Let's
Froggies
go.
to the whip, man.
Hell yeah.
Froggies Foam Falls, baby. We going through the foam falls.
That's right. It's all clean. No more shit. Yo, back at the setup. Just going over some potential pairs for this upcoming week. I missed NVIDIA. NVIDIA is actually becoming part of the NASDAQ, so it's going on QQQ. Missed this trade right at close for Friday. It broke out, and I actually was napping, so I missed this trade, which is very upsetting because this could have potentially been a killer freaking trade, but we missed it. Here it is right here. Had a huge move up going sideways, and here's breakout day, which just so happened to be around 3:45 on Friday. I missed the trade, was not able to get in it, which sucks, but there's always more opportunity, and that's why I'm going to hurry up and scan some of these pairs, see if I can see anything to potentially have a solid week next week. Well, have a solid week this upcoming week. So I'm going to end the vlog here. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Have a good one. Happy trading.